Who's that? Hi there. Hi there. What you got? That's a swimming suit. Uh-huh. What else you got there? Those patas? Are those patas? Come here. Come here. Are those patas?
No, I don't want to die.
You want to put on the shorts, huh? Those are your favorite. Good morning. There's a book. It's a book.
Huh?
A book.
It's over there. Do you scream like that? I'll get from one night. I don't know. Oh, that's coming in. Oh, that's coming out.
Mm-hmm.
That's the
I know. Is that the bunny book? It is the bunny book. You know the bunny book. Yeah, it's the bunny book.
Oh, that's this side.
It's the bunny book.
That's in my
Yeah, who's that?
That's my
Who is that?
That's someone done it.
Is that the bunny book?
No. I wasn't in the walls.
Mm-hmm. What are you doing in that box, little bunny? What are you doing in that box, little bunny? Say it's not a box. It's a race car. Or it's a fire truck. Or it's a spaceship. Yeah, that's a great book. Yeah? Look who else is making little noises. Say, I want out.
Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy. Let me buy.
Yeah, you like that book?
No. Not as good.
Yeah. Those are shorts you want to wear? You get those every day. Your favorite clothes? Basketball shorts.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Look on his dog.
You want those patas?
No.
You like those patas?
No, that's a fun day.
What's it look like outside? Is it going to be a nice day? Nice day, right? Sunshine.
Huh?
It's a nice day out there. Lots of sunshine. Look. Look outside. Yeah, nice and bright. Yeah, you want to go outside? Look warm? Okay, let's go eat some breakfast. Okay, you hungry?
No,